What about pomegranates?
Are they round? Because then I could probably have pomegranates if I wanted. Like you have watermelons. I think this thing is spiked.
Especially since your mom made it.
Bubble. It bubbled. I saw it.
Please don't spit it out.
On the couch.
Like when I asked Jessie where my camera was and if it was in her pants.
Mine's like look the shape of the cup. Hey. Oh, it came apart.
You're such a dork.
Got milk? I don't.
Got pomegranates.
You have pomegranates.
You've got pomegranates.